Cats are popular pets. All the domestic cats of today are descended from wild cats. They were first tamed over 4,000 years ago in ancient Egypt. The Egyptians used cats to protect their food stores from mice and rats. Today, there are many breeds of domestic cats, including long haired. In all, there are about 37 species of cats. Although domestic cats are fed by humans, they are still excellent hunters with a keen sense of hearing and very good eyesight. They have strong jaws, sharp teeth, and whiskers that are sensitive. Cats sleep on average twice as long as other mammals. Cats make good pets as they are clean, quiet, and friendly. Everybody loves to have a cat as a pet at home.